Hey guys, and welcome back to Gravey's Brewery with me, Gareth Goes Gravey. And guys, for this video, it's been a while, hasn't it? As you can see from the title, I'm coming back with a homebrew versus commercial comparison. And for this one, once again, as you can see from the title, I'm bringing you a comparison between Brewdog's Dead Pony Club and my own version of that same beer. So as I get these poured, what can I tell you about it? As you saw, slight difference between the two beers. The first difference, my beer came out to be 4.4%, give or take, and the genuine article, as you might be able to see from the can there, 3.8%. I'm not going to dawdle, I'm not going to beat around the bush. Down in the description, I'm going to pop links to where you can purchase this, or the genuine beer. I'm also going to pop a link down to my particular recipe, for anybody that wants to give my recipe a go. And I'm also going to drop a link to a Brewdog affiliated website where you can find the actual recipe. I will stress right now, guys, this is not a review. I don't really plan on doing a review of my beer, although if you'd like me to, drop a comment down there, let me know. Okay, well, here are the beers. This is the genuine article. Oh, sorry, let me rephrase that. You'll know which is which because I have put them in appropriate glasses. This one is the genuine article, this one's mine. And first off, let's compare the, well, I say let's compare the head. Nice fluffy head on the genuine article. Mine, not so much. Mine actually dissipated quite quickly. There is a nice little ring of suds just clinging onto the glass. I'm hoping that will last. Carbonation, I think you can see, keyword think, the genuine article beer is actually quite cloudier than what I thought it was, but I think you can see that both beers have decent levels of carbonation, probably almost matching actually. I'm not entirely too sure. And whilst I've got the glasses to the light, if my beer wasn't so hazy, I'm hoping that's chill haze or hop haze, whatever, I would actually say that those are almost spot on. Once again, links to each recipe, the real and my version, are down there in the description. So that's the smells, or the, excuse me, the sights. Let's get in on the smells, let's see what we get. On the genuine article, very piney. Slightly tropical, grapefruit, pineapple. I want to say a little bit of pine. maybe a bit of mango, passion fruit, I'm not sure. On mine, isn't so much hop forward. Mine's actually a little bit more malt forward. I'm getting a burnt toast, bready aroma. There is a slight hint of the hops in the background. Just a very tiny hint of the tropical aromas that I'm getting from the genuine article. But again, mine is very malt forward compared to the genuine article. Okay, well, that's the looks and the aromas. Let's give them a taste. Cheers. Genuine article. On the genuine article, again, very fruity, pineapple, grapefruit. There is just an ever so slight mineral water flavour just on the back edge. Just a slight toastiness just coating the back of my palate and my tongue. And again, almost a sparkling water, mineral water carbonation just kind of coating the front of my tongue. Not a bad flavour. Anyway, here's mine. Cheers. Oh, now the flavours are actually almost identical. On mine, there is just a little bit of a stronger fruit forward flavour. Nothing like the aroma. A little bit more flavourful with pineapple, grapefruit. Again, that grassy pine kind of flavour. There is that slight mineral water, sparkling water flavour coming through as well, and the carbonation. Excuse me. And drinking both at the same time. They're both quite gassy. That said, neither are actually all that harsh or bitter. In fact, there's very little bitterness from either beer. Just, again, a slight carbonation bitterness, but that's neither here nor there. Oh, just going back and smelling the genuine article. I can actually now smell a little bit more of that CO2 carbonation, soda water kind of flavour, aroma, excuse me. along with just a slight bit of pininess there as well. And with mine, just kind of going back on that flavour or the aroma, kind of getting a little bit of a black tea kind of aroma. A slight burnt roastiness. But both beers very drinkable. And if I didn't have the label of mine staring me in the face saying 4.4%, I would actually think and say that those beers were actually the same ABV. So, as a final verdict, for anybody that is looking at getting into hoppy pale ales to drink, that is, the Genuine article is very good, very inoffensive for anybody that wants to, just again, any newcomers to hoppy pale ales. If you're coming over from lagers or even roastier beers, stouts, porters, you kind of want to back off and try something a little bit more fruity, a little bit you know, not so big on flavours but still have nice flavours. The Genuine article is always good. Again, mine, I like it. I think it's a good little interpretation of the actual beer, and I think for somebody, if you do want to brew this and you want to give it to a friend that doesn't necessarily like big flavourful beers, I would say try and give the homebrew version a go. They're both equally good. I can't pick. Hey guys, well, forgive me for that. As I said, I cannot pick a clear winner. Each have their own pros and cons. So as a final verdict, again, the real deal, the Genuine article, is a nice beer for anybody out there that just wants to start on hoppy pale ales. I know Brewdog is a big name and the beers are just about everywhere now, but for those of you that are still not particularly on the pale ale, you know, on the pale ales, it's a very easy drinking beer. No problem whatsoever with it. It's very easy drinking again. But for me, I know I just said I can't pick, but for me, I just slightly tend to go towards the homebrew. There's nothing really better than brewing your own beer and having it come out nice. I know, a little bit backwards of what I just said earlier, but anyway, that's, yeah. Alright guys, well, hope you enjoyed this video. Again, as always, links that I've spoken about will be down there in the description. And if you enjoyed this video guys, as always, let me know down there in the comments. We'll get some discussion going. And for anybody that has done a similar test to this before, and you agree or disagree with anything I've said in the course of this video, once again, drop your comments down there. We'll talk, we'll get some discussion going. And to sign off, I'm going to sign off with my own beer. So again, that's all I've got for you for now. So until next time from Gravey's Brewery, this has been Gareth Goes Gravey. I'll see you later. Cheers.